The purpose of this video is to explain how to make a population pyramid using Google Spreadsheets. So the first thing I've done is I've come to this website, and it's just the www.census.government of the United States. And the reason I like this website is it simply has tons of information on different countries. How I found it is I just simply Googled it. Anyways, so let's get started. First, I want to take a demographic overview. Let's take 2015. Let's go to population by 5-year age groups. So we'll select that. And then since we're in Canada, we will select Canada. And I will select Canada. Now I'll just scroll down a bit and I'll submit. What's going to happen is I get all this data right here. So now all I do is I simply select all the data and I copy it. Now once I have it copied, I'm going to go to my Google Drive. So I happen to have it as a symbol right here, so I'm just going to go to my Google Drive. And once I have my Google Drive open, I'm simply going to go to the New button and select Google Sheets. Google Sheets is now opening. Wait for it to load. Put the title in by clicking up here. And the title I'm going to make this is simply Canada's Population Pyramid. And for some reason things aren't, there we are. And type in, things aren't going right, there we go. Canada Population Pyramid 2015. Okay. And then simply paste, copy all the data from the other website into this website. Now, we don't need the year, so I will just cut this column. Oh, so I'll just select it and then go edit, delete column A. We don't need the values from B through to E, so we will delete that. Delete columns B through E. So we've got our age, got our percent male, percent female, and we don't really need our ratios here, so we will simply delete column D. Now, this happens right here. For whatever reason, we have to simply change the format to a font, to a word, plain text. So I went up to format and simply chose plain text right in here. And we have to change the values now. And that was 0 to 4, so this would be 5 to 9. It's going to happen to all your 5 to 9s, and whenever you're trying to make a population pyramid, I have no idea why. Now what you're going to have to do, you will see that the total is there. They both add to 100%. You don't need that row, so you can delete that row. So now you start at 0 to 4 and all the way down. Now in order to do this, you actually have to make all the percent males a negative. So quickly make all your percent males negatives. You just click on the top and you put your cursor and you just make them all negative like this. And you can work your way down, but being the magic of video, they are done just like that. We have them done. So there's all our negatives. Now what we're going to do is we are going to select all our data. And once we have all our data selected, we are going to go to make a chart. Now the chart that we want to select is this one right here. So we click on that. And now you'll notice everything's crazy. It looks like a population pyramid except it's upside down. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to Customize. So we select Customize. And the first thing we do is, well, there's a chart title, so let's call it Canada. Canada population pyramid 2015. Let's just continue to scroll down. Now, you'll notice that these are slightly off. In order to fix that being slightly off, choose stack. Now, by choosing stack, you'll see that they're right opposite each other, just like a population pyramid should be. And it's upside down. We have to reverse this, so simply choose reverse. And you will see now that it looks like a population pyramid. The red is percent female, and the blue is percent male. All right, now what we have to do is we have to scroll down and we have to label the axes. This is percentage down here. So the horizontal axis is percentage. Then we have to do the left vertical. And this is the left vertical right here. And the left vertical would be age categories. And so then we have the age categories. So now all we have to do is simply insert. Once we've inserted, I recommend that you click on the population pyramid and you choose the I mode. Choosing I mode means you won't edit it accidentally, and you just simply move it beside your data. And that is how to make a population pyramid with a spreadsheet.